Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick prophetic word that the Lord has really been giving me today, and the Lord is saying to me, I am about to restore everything that has been taken by the enemy. I am about to restore the things, the opportunities that you missed. I am about to restore them and 100 times better. Whatever you missed, whatever thing you missed, whatever thing the devil tried to take from you, the Lord is giving it back. The Lord is taking it back from the enemy, and he is going to bless it and multiply it. The Lord is about to bless you. And I don't do these words often. I don't be like, oh yeah, the Lord's gonna bless you. I don't say that for no reason. I'm not one of those prosperity preachers. No, I keep hearing the Lord say, I am about to take back and give to you what the enemy tried to steal from you. I don't preach about money. I don't preach about that a lot. And this might not even be about money. It's the thing that the enemy tried to take out from your life. The Lord is about to give it to you again. You may have missed a job opportunity. You may have missed an opportunity to preach to somebody. You may have missed something. I keep hearing the Lord say that he's about to replace it. He's about to put it back in your life with something better. The Lord is giving you that thing back. This might be confirmation for you. Make sure you take this up with the Lord, because the Lord is about to bless you. The Lord is saying, stay faithful to me and I will bless you. And when breakthrough is about to happen, the devil, he's going to try to tempt you. He's going to try to make you fall away from the faith. He's going to try to make you fall into that sin you swore you would never go back to. The devil's going to work overtime because he does not want that thing to be back in your life. He tried to steal it. Don't let the devil steal it. Don't let the devil win. Don't give in. Keep staying faithful to Jesus. Keep staying faithful to God. Keep staying faithful because he's about to bless you. And there's a Bible verse, I think it's Romans 8:28. For everything works out. Everything is good because we follow Jesus. Everything goes for good for us because we love God. Everything is going to be okay. The Lord is about to restore, and he's about to come through right now. Amen. Have a beautiful, blessed day, y'all.